I'm already recording.
Okay. Well then. Why should I not do it? You know how kids are. When they're recording, you just look at them and they're like...
No, she's gonna do it. She's coming close to you.
Standing? Are you standing? Fake love.
Yeah, she's quick. She stopped.
Attack of the Chloes! Get up!
You got stuck there, buddy?
She's looking at my button.
Oh.
It's a button. Okay, there she is. I want you to stand. Stand for the camera. Uh-oh. She switches sides. She's holding on to my ears. Not to my hair.
Oh no, that's a Sinbad.
Hmm?
Whew. Okay. Thank you and goodbye.